The time has finally arrived to put up some sheetrock. Outside is also pretty close. We've got the stone here on the front and the accents that we're doing around all the windows and dirt work and, you know, final grade, stuff like that. Had Casey add to that wall because of the extra dirt we're putting in here. So let's take a look around before we get started. I've got this buffer that we got from Decocrete, so we're using that. Can't hardly see nothing, it's so dark. And the pressure washer. And we are going to pressure wash and scrub all of the concrete floors, which is all the floors. Up here first, and then we'll do downstairs. It's just gonna be a lot of fun. So we're gonna pressure wash, buff, and then, time permitting, I'm gonna go ahead and use the high gloss sealer so we can finally actually see the color that the floors are going to actually be. But they're delivering sheetrock Monday. Today is Saturday. So if we run out of time, then we'll just put paper down. You know, we've got all the paper to put down, so we'll just put the paper down on this and we'll have to seal it later. But hopefully we will get it sealed now because I really want to show y'all what this actually looks like. But we've got a lot of scrubbing to do. So let's get to it. What you got?
I didn't even brush my hair.
I don't care. Now you on video. See what happens?
Out because you were on a timeline here.
I am. What we're doing is we're not going to use the buffing machine unless we come across something that doesn't want to come up.
Yeah.
Because we like more of the dark than the clay cleaner look like that. She has spoken.
Yep.
We are done with first round of pressure washing. Probably going to end up being the only round. The goal was to get anything like various solvents and any spray foam that made it past the barriers they put down, stuff like that were stuck to the floor, and get of course get as much dirt out of here as possible. We'll let this dry. All the base plates are treated wood. As long as you don't cover up and seal in moisture, you're fine. Anything that's wet needs to dry, so it'll all be dry before we sheetrock. It'll be fine. I'm gonna leave all the windows and doors open. It came out pretty good. We took out some of the rock wool in areas, so when it get wet, we'll put it back. This is Saturday. We're getting sheetrock comes Monday. So we're going downstairs. We're gonna do the basement, and then tomorrow we're gonna come out here and we'll put down the ram board on everything so that the floors are protected. This turned out great. I'll start there. No reason to do the theater. It gets carpet. So come down through there, pressure wash all this, get out into here. Then I'll go over there, push it this way, hit this right here, push it this way, and then finish this off. We got a bunch of Trimco X paper, heavy duty contractor paper to put down on the floors. We've got ram board tape, which is more expensive than the painter tape. So the ram board tape is what we're going to use to go to attach paper to concrete, and then the painter tape can go on the pieces that go between. So let's look at how everything ended up. Then we'll close all these windows. Oh yes, it's pretty dry. I've got a couple spots. It looks like. But overall, oh yeah. Okay. We ran out of time, so we're just not going to put the clear on it now. It'll be shiny like it was when we were had water on it, or dark. It'll be dark like this little area is now. So the guys will come in. They're going to hit any little areas of water left, get those dried up. It looks like we're pretty good. And then we won't start sheetrock for a few days. Let the see, the base plates are almost pretty much dry anyway. So your issues are, when you're building a house, this all gets wet all the time. You have a roof on, and the issues, like the old houses, didn't really have, like our farmhouse, 120 years old. When we took the walls off, the only places we had issues were where the two fireplaces were, because water had gotten in behind them continually. In the walls, it would get wet because, there was nothing, and water would run in there, but it would dry out. As long as the water can dry, you don't have problems. It's where when it gets trapped and it can't dry, it just stays wet all the time, or moist. Hate that word, but that's kind of what it is. Then you have issues. So all right, so this looks a lot better. Finally getting to this next stage. I'll meet with those guys tomorrow, so I'll try and film some of that with what they say. A lot of the areas get wood ceilings, tongue and groove, stuff like that. But a lot of the walls are sheetrock, and then there's other ceilings that are sheetrock. So get those guys in here, get that done, so we can move to the next stage and wrap this thing up.